Hey guys, it is time to do drill sound warm up. We are going to do standard cards today. We are going to do large cards, standard cards, and the vowel extension poster. So you will need a drill sound leader. So your teacher can choose who's going to be your drill sound leader while I'm switching slides. Let's start with our large cards. Remember, you're going to repeat me when you see baby echo pop into the screen. You want to make sure you're paying attention and you're being very fluent or quick with what I'm saying. Not so quick that you're talking like this, but that you're paying attention and you say it about the same speed I'm saying it. Okay, here we go. A-N-G, fang, ang. Your turn. A-N-G, fang, ang. A-N-K, bank, ank. Your turn. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-G, ring, ing. I-N-G, ring, ing. I-N-K, pink, ink. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-G, song, ong. Your turn. O-N-G, song, ong. O-N-K, honk, onk. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-G, lung, ung. U-N-G, lung, ung. U-N-K, junk, unk. U-N-K, junk, unk. Okay, now we are ready for our drill sound leader to do the standard cards. Okay. Remember, friends, you are going to listen to your drill sound leader. Then you are going to repeat them as soon as you see baby echo. Drill sound leader, make sure you're paying attention so that you can say the cards when they flip to the next card. Okay? Go ahead, drill sound leader, and start us off. Everybody, A-N-G, fang, ang. A-N-K, bank, ank. T, top, t. I-N-G, ring, ing. I-N-K, pink, ink. V, van, v. O-N-G, song, ong. O-N-K, honk, onk. Z, zebra, z. U-N-G, lung, ung. U-N-K, junk, unk. C-H, chin, ch. Nice job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move to the vowel extension poster. Remember, you're going to follow my cursor. This time, instead of repeating me, you're going to say it with me. So make sure you're holding it the whole time my cursor's moving. Ready? A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. I, itch, if. O, octopus, ah. You, up, ah. Nice job today, friends.